The best part of my childhood home was living just steps from the private community lake. I mean, we spent days and days swimming, boating in the summertime, skating, playing hockey in the wintertime. So I can vouch the location of this home is not only a child's dream, but also the parents'. Now, Mahogany is one of the most prestigious and award-winning four-season communities in the entire city of Calgary. The Beach Club features a 63-acre private freshwater lake. There's 74 acres of wetlands. There's 22 kilometers of walking paths and biking paths. There's 30 parks and playgrounds, top-rated schools, and of course, the village market. You know, living in Mahogany truly feels like vacation. Now, this bungalow villa was built by the luxury home builder Bay West Homes. They're known for their quality workmanship, attention to detail, and of course their 125 awards. As you came through that gorgeous 8-foot door, notice the high 9-foot ceilings, some beautifully large windows, and of course this luxury vinyl plank floors. Now the chef-inspired kitchen features gorgeous two-tone soft close cabinetry, upgraded stainless steel appliances, and quartz countertop. As it opens to a great dining area here with a pantry. Now this sides onto your half bathroom, also with the quartz cabinetry, upgraded lighting. Now there's an extra large pantry here as well with a outlet, which is a great spot for a freezer or a vacuum. Now look at this large master bedroom. Gorgeous ensuite here with the double vanities, very large walk-in closet, and of course your tiled shower with the bench. And welcome to your backyard oasis. Sunny south exposure, pet friendly. Of course, the air conditioning is pumping on a hot summer day like today. Now downstairs features the 9-foot ceilings as well with the luxury vinyl plank floor, a great games area here, great size laundry with a sink and extra storage. Now there's 2 bedrooms down here as well, both great size, both with a walk-in closet. Now the basement was developed by Bay West Homes as well, so you can enjoy the same quality workmanship and consistency as upstairs. Second bedroom on the lower level, and a beautiful bathroom with double vanities. So if you're ready to experience Mahogany in a beautifully crafted home, you know where to find me. Thanks for watching.